Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can add money to your Wise account. So first of all, when you create your own Wise account for the first time, you will not have any salt or currencies on it. So how you can actually add some currencies or salt to it or some balance, that's what are we going to learn in this tutorial. So first of all guys, what I will need you to do is basically, it is pretty simple. Just go ahead and search on your PC or on any browser for wise.com, or else if you have any device like cell phones, iPad, tablet, you can just go to App Store and download the application. So now let's open this website, and from here, if you don't have an account already, you go click on register, and here you put your email address, you click on next, and then you will have some information to fill. After that, you put your phone number, you will receive a code, you put it, and then your password. Or else you can just skip all of that by logging in using your Google account or your Facebook account or your Apple account. Now after you log into your account, from here the page will be open just like so. So how you can actually add money to your account? Basically it is pretty simple, just by receive money here. So if you click here to receive money and you go to your personal account or business account, it depends on what account you want to create. So let's go to personal accounts for our case, and here you have to put some information about you that are full legal. So they have to be legal 100%. So here you put your first name and the middle name if you have, last name, and then here date of birth, the country, home address, city, postal code, and then you click on confirm. After that they will have to review your account, so it will take like 3 days, and right after that they will accept your demand. There is other ways to add money to your account, which is without sending money from your bank account directly to here, you can send it from PayPal to Wise. Also there is this earn 50 bucks or 50 euros whenever like you invite a friend and they send over 200 in one go. So when they send 200 euros in one go, you will have the 50 euros in your account, guys. So yeah guys, that was it, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you a lot for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.